Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, we will talk about a very beautiful and very easy to grow plant called Zinnia. Zinnia is a great flowering plant that you can grow in the summertime. This is an annual or seasonal plant, so it is short-lived. They have lovely flowers that come in a range of color. You can collect and grow varieties of different color in your garden. They will look amazing. They are very long-lasting. The flowers can last more than a month and they are great for attracting pollinators in the garden. These flowers are very popular for cut flowers and decorations. Zinnias come in many varieties. You will find tall varieties with large flowers. They can get around 4 feet tall. You will also find short varieties with smaller flowers that are great for growing in small containers. These are lately getting very popular. They're also very easy to maintain in small pots and hanging baskets. In my garden, I grow them all year long. These plants are very flexible in our climate. They grow pretty much in all season. They also grow very well in the rainy season, so you can grow them multiple times in a year. The easiest way to grow them is from seeds. You can buy seeds. They are really easily available in the nurseries and online. From my experience, I can say growing from seeds gives you the best results. The plants don't like to be disturbed, so directly sow them if you can. You can also buy small plants and grow them too. Zinnia is a sun-loving plant. It needs lots of bright light to grow well, so give them 6 hours of direct sunlight to get maximum flowers. They will not grow well in shady area and they will not flower as much, but you can give them partial shade or afternoon shade when the summer temperature gets too high. You can pinch the plant when they're about 5 to 6 inches tall. It will make them bushy and you will get lots of flowers. Tall varieties can fall over, so support them with something when they are growing. If you are growing them in a container, you can choose a 6 to 8 inch pot depending on the variety. Make sure the container has good drainage holes. Zinnias will grow well in a rich, well-draining soil. A slightly acidic soil will be great too. You can actually grow them in any type of soil, but for best results, prepare your potting mix with a well-draining, loose garden soil. Add about 30 to 40% good quality vermicompost or leaf compost with your soil. You can add 1 or 2 tablespoons of bone meal and neem cake powder. You don't need to fertilize them too much. Apply light fertilizer. Weekly you can apply liquid fertilizer like mustard cake liquid fertilizer. And once in 20 to 30 days, add a tablespoon of bone meal on top of the soil and that will be enough. Water your zinnia plants properly and regularly. The plants can tolerate a little bit of dry soil, but keep the soil moist for better health. Check the soil before watering and don't overwater them. Also, don't water on the leaves too much. That can cause some fungus problems. Zinnias can get a lot of pest problems. I have faced mealybugs, aphids and caterpillars in my plants. So spray any organic pesticides weekly. You can also spray fungicide if you see any fungus problems, especially during the rainy season. Pruning and deadheading is essential for keeping the plants healthy. Cut the flowers as soon as they dry. Don't keep the dry flowers on the plant too long. This can make the plant lose energy. Pruning regularly will keep the plant disease-free and it will encourage more flowering for a long time. You can save some of the dry flowers for future and grow them again. Zinnia is a lovely plant. I grow them in winter, summer and in monsoon. They come in many colors. They will really make you happy, so definitely grow them in your garden. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel for more content. I will see you next time. Bye!